effectively new here, so I'll just start by introducing Richard. Could you introduce yourself, Richard? I'm bound to get your title wrong, so if you wouldn't mind introducing yourself.
So I'm Richard Walton. I'm the Public Rights of Way and Country Parks Manager, and I need to correct my settings because I can hear a bit of echo from my laptop, so sorry about that.
That's all right. Thomas, could you just...
Yeah, I'm Tom Green. I'm the Senior Public Rights of Way Officer, Definitive Map and Technical.
I'm Caroline Gattrell. I'm one of the Definitive Map Review Officers for the Public Rights of Way team.
Thank you very much. This meeting will be, I understand, webcasts, so be in your best behaviour, people. Thank you very much. First item is apologies for absence. I've had Frank tell me, and are there any other apologies?
Yeah, Councillor Biederman and Councillor Tildesley.
Thank you. So Frank wanted the committee to know he's on Devon County Council business doing flooding, I think. Appropriately rained just before now. Anyway, thank you for apologies. Declarations of interest. Are there any declarations of interest? There are none. Item 3 is the minutes of the last meeting. None of us were actually on the committee or present at the committee. So is it your wish that I sign to have the all see, hopefully seen a copy, that I can note these, because obviously we cannot say they're a true record because we weren't here. So are you happy I'm to sign those? All those in favour? I think that's unanimous. Item 4, any item requiring attention by the chairman? None that I've got. No one's particularly got any pressing items. Thank you very much. Devon Countryside Access Forum notes. You should have all had the draft notes. Are you all happy to note those? Yep, noted. Thank you very much. Parish review. Item 6, parish review, definitive map review. Parish of Otterton. Mr. Green.
Thank you, Chair. Yes, item 6 deals with a proposal arising from the definitive map review in the parish of Otterton. It deals with 2 Schedule 14 applications made by the Trail Riders Fellowship to upgrade bridleway number 3 and footpath number 4 to byways open to all traffic. The 2 applications have been dealt with in one proposal because they form a continuous route. The recommendation is broken down into 3 parts. The first part of the recommendation is that no modification order be made in respect to the Schedule 14 applications to upgrade either route, the evidence being insufficient to justify the making of those modification orders. The second part of the recommendation deals with an error in the map which came to light during the consultation stage. The discrepancy between the definitive map and the statement, and also feedback from the Public Rights of Way warden and the parish, it became clear that the path marked A to D on the map currently being shown is actually the true line of Bridleway 3, and it terminates at Park Gates at point D. So the second part of the recommendation is that a modification order be made to add a public bridleway between points A and D as per that map. Lastly, a third section to the recommendation is to the landowner has appeared agreeable to dedicating bridleway rights on footpath 4, which would add some significant improvements to the horse riding and cycling network in that area. There's an ongoing project run by Clinton Devon Estates called Heaths to Sea, it fulfills one of the aims of their project to improve the network in this area. So the recommendation is that the County Council enter into negotiations with Clinton Devon with a view to the dedication of bridle rights on section B to C on the map, which is footpath 4 currently.
Are there any questions from committee members? In which case, I think we should, we've got to note this all formally.
This one's for decision.
Right. So I'll propose from the chair. Will someone second it? All those in favour? Thank you very much, Mr. Green.
That's no problem.
Item 7, parish review definitive map, parish of Tetcott and Luffingcott. I don't know. Where's that?
Torridge.
Torridge. Thank you very much. Do you mind speaking to this?
Yes, I will. This report centres on the parish review for parishes Tetcott and Luffingcott. This was opened several years ago with a public meeting, well attended considering the sparse nature of the population in the area. No proposals were put forward for changes to the definitive map. So it's purely an item just to note that the parish review is complete and there were no proposals for modification.
Thank you very much. Can I propose that we accept the report? Seconded. All those in favour? That's unanimous. Sorry, I didn't give members a chance to speak on that. I think you didn't want. There wasn't any questions about this. Thank you very much. Item 8, parish review definitive map, parish of St Giles on the Heath. I know where that is. Thank you very much.
Don't forget Northcott Hamlets. They might be small, but they are still there. Again, this is the same as Tetcott and Luffingcott. Parish review was opened a couple of years ago. No proposals were put forward for amendments to definitive map, so there it's a nil report. So it's just to note that the parish review has been completed there.
Thank you very much. Again, I'll propose from the chair, seconded by Stuart. All those in favour? It's unanimous. Item 9 is public inquiry, informal hearing and written response, decisions. Richard. Oh, Mr. Walton, sorry.
That's okay. Richard's fine. So this is one in terms of reporting back on a planning inspectorate decision. So this relates back to a previous committee and where there was a recommendation to make an order. The order was objected to, and so went to planning inspectorate for determination. And the planning inspector has confirmed that order. And so in effect, those rights now exist, or those rights are now recorded.
Yeah. So I'll propose again from the chair. This is, sorry, is there any questions before we propose that? No. Propose that we accept that and note the decision. All seconded. All those in favour? Is that use? Yep. So that looks like unanimous vote. Thank you very much. Item 10 is the public path diversion and definitive map and statement. Richard again.
So this report is where the orders have been made and confirmed, either where they've been done via the delegated process or where it's the follow-up in relation to previous committee decisions. So these are the orders that have been made and confirmed since the last committee meeting. And so these all appear within the report. The first one that we kind of reported being footpaths 7A and 7B in Halberton. The second one is footpath number 2 and footpath number 3 and bridleway number 5, if I'm reading correctly. I haven't got my glasses on. Sheldon. The third one is footpath number 7, Clawton. And then bridleway number 12, Littleton. And so, yeah, these are all orders made and confirmed since last committee meeting in terms of the definitive map modification orders.
Has anybody got any questions or statements? Councillor Dempster, no. I'll propose then from the chair, that will be seconded by Councillor Dempster, that we accept and note. Is that all in favour of that? Unanimous again. Number 11, public path orders. Again, Richard.
So again, these are the public path orders that have been made and confirmed since the last committee meeting, either being under the delegated process or where they're kind of relating back to a previous committee decision. And these are all sort of set out in the report. What I've done is the slides are based on the signed documents that we have put up on the council's webpage. So some are in colour and some are black and white. So that's why they're not all cut up in that respect. But the first one was a series of public path orders that were done in Martin Hoe area. So the first one in the report is bridleway number 6. The second one was bridleways number 6 and 8. This was a path creation within the map statement modification order. The third one relates to bridleway number 7 in Martin Hoe. The fourth of the reports relates to footpath 41, All Saints, a small part of that footpath. And then the next one is footpath number 5, Collerton Rally. And then we've got the next one, footpath 43 in Hawkchurch. And then we have footpath 14, Cheriton Fitzpaine. Again, that's part of the route. And that's actually it in terms of the last of those orders that have been made and confirmed.
Thank you much. Any, oh, sorry, Councillor.
Thank you. Thank you, Chair. Just for the purpose of the public record being correct, the report that we received for this agenda item, there is a slight error at the bottom under Meg Booth's title. It refers to the electoral divisions that are covered by this order. As my computer restarts. And it should be noted on there, just before it disappeared, that Hawkchurch and All Saints, thank you, in Yardley ward. Sorry, my correction, what we're saying. These are electoral, these are divisions, Devon County electoral divisions. So they're actually in Axminster. My apologies, that's a district council division, but Hawkchurch and All Saints are in the Axminster division, and that was omitted from that list. But again, it's not a matter that affects the decision, but just for the purpose of the public record. Thank you.
And my apologies, that will be my mistake. So yeah, apologies.
With that amendment, can I propose that that's accepted, noted by the committee? Excellent.
Sorry, I should have picked up on that.
No, that's good. No, that's good. We're doing well. Item 12, dates of future meetings, 18th of November and the 4th of March. Is everybody happy with those dates? So those convenient dates for people? March the 4th and 18th of November this year. For the public record, I'll say that we had training this morning, and we all got letters with little foil packages in. Wasn't what I expected in there. But legal is going to write on all of our behalves, explaining what the situation is. So we haven't ignored the person, but rather than loads of letters going back, Legal will be replying on all bar all of us. Thank you very much. With that, I declare the meeting closed.
Thank you.